William Wordsworth was a famous romantic poet who changed the idea of poetry in English literature. His views are found in the Preface to Lyrical Ballads. He said poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. This means poetry comes from deep and natural emotions. According to him, a poet first feels emotions strongly and later remembers them calmly. He called this process emotion recollected in tranquillity. Quiet reflection helps create beautiful poetry. Wordsworth believed poetry should use simple and natural language. He did not like the artificial and decorative style of earlier poets. Wordsworth chose the lives of common people as subjects for poetry. Village life and ordinary people were important because their feelings were pure and true. Nature was very important in Wordsworth's theory. He saw nature as a teacher, guide, and healer. Wordsworth said, "A poet is a man speaking to men, but with greater sensitivity and imagination." Poetry should give pleasure and wisdom to readers. William Wordsworth's theory of poetry started a new age in English literature called the Romantic movement, which focused on emotion, imagination, and freedom.